What's up, guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18. Today I'm going to show you guys an 8-inch speaker grill we have with the built-in super tweeter. We call it the Pro GRT 8 Black. Now this is a plastic grill. It has a big super tweeter in the middle. It gets extremely loud. It mounts on a mid-range. So we have one of our Pro Neo 8Rs on the table. We're going to mount the grill on the mid-range. We're going to play the mid-range by itself. Then we're going to play the tweeter grill by itself. Then we're going to play them together so you guys can notice the difference. But meantime, let's open up the box and see what we got. The Pro GRT 8. And let's start off. Here's the grill. We got a manual. And check this out. Check this out. Check out this beauty. Nice glossy black grill, 8 inches. Nice super tweeter in the middle. It's not heavy at all. It's plastic. Check out how it mounts on our mid. Nice flush mount. Covers the whole ring of the mid. The whole basket. Check it out. This is how it looks like. Real nice. Real nice. It comes already with a base blocker or capacitor to protect it so you don't blow it or break it. So now some specs. Check this out. This is an 8-inch grill, 4 ohms. It's 125 watts AES power, 250 watts program power, 500 watts peak power. It has 98 dBs, and the frequency response on this bad boy is 1.6 kilohertz to 20 kilohertz. It is titanium tweeter neodymium magnets. It looks good. It feels good. Now you guys want to see how loud this bad boy can get. So let's start off. Let's play the tweeter by itself. Here we go. And then we'll connect the mid-range so you guys can hear the difference, and then we'll connect them both together. So we're going to play the grill first with the tweeter, then we're going to play the mid-range, then we're going to combine them together so you guys can check them out. And here we go. Oops. You can hear it's very pitchy, very high. Here comes the change of the tune. Super streaky. Now let's connect the speaker so you guys can check out the big, huge difference. So let's put on.
Too soon to act on it, can we ever be? That all depends on what you're feeling.
So you heard the grill, you heard the mid. Now let's put these guys together and you guys check these out. You can easily piggyback the grill with the mid. There you go. You guys can see the install right there. You can piggyback the grill with the mid, and all you have to do is power them up and you'll be set to go. Put some volume. On my end, it sounds amazing. It's the perfect combination between the mid and the highs. It's the perfect combination. So if you have tight spaces to put a tweeter, to put a horn, this is the way you gotta go. You got only a hole for an 8-inch speaker. You drop in the grill that has the tweeter built in, and you're set to go. You got the mid, you got the highs, and only DS18 can give that to you. So there you guys have it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.